Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at what is required for you to be able to generate an APK file. An APK file is the file that you download from our system and take to your Google Play account and upload to publish your Google Apps. Okay, so this is a back office, and the area you would log into is right here, the Create App section. You can see this one is red, it's not ready to be generated, so I'll show you that first. Okay, we'll click on Create App, and then we would come over here to the Published App section. Okay, so basically what you need to do is make sure all of these fields are filled out, and you've got your splash screen image and your icon image added as well. Again, the icon images are the sizing is recommended sizing is here. If this one is a PNG image only, this is also a PNG image, and the sizing is right here as well. You need the package name. The package name is here. Okay, so let's say this is called supply. So this is actually the package name. Okay, right here. This is what it looks like. The footer key we're no longer using, so we'll just enter 1, 2, 3, 4. The app icon name would be the name of the app. Okay, the server key and the JSON file are handled in another video. You do need these things before you're able to generate an APK. So I'm not putting this here right now. So it's not going to, it obviously won't work. But these are the things that we definitely 100% need. The server key, the JSON file, and then these are the 3 fields to be completed here as well as the images. So once this is all entered, you hit the update button. It won't let me save this because we're not finished. We need the splash screen and the app icon image. So that's what you need definitely to start to be able to generate the APK file. And you can enter a bunch of stuff in here and basically like dummy information and allow yourself to it'll turn from red to green when you come back onto your dashboard, but it won't generate. It'll keep spinning and spinning and spinning. It just won't generate if things aren't done correctly. So let's take a look at a correct build. Okay, so we look at this one here. Okay, so this one will go to the publish section too. You can see the splash screen is done, the icon is there, the package name, everything is done here. So once all that's done, you just hit the update button. Okay, we're not updating it now, but you can see that you'll basically update it and it will be saved. What will happen then is you'll come back out into your list over here and you'll have one green button like this, except this will be green. You will click that and it'll take you about 3 to 4 minutes to generate the APK file. From there, you're able to download it directly into your computer and take it to your Google account and upload and publish the app. And that's it. It's a pretty simple process. It's not too complicated. You do need the right information. This, again, server key, JSON file. Those are absolute necessities, as well as your app splash screen and icons. And then you're off to the races. I will post links for the videos to the how you generate a server key and a JSON file in the description of this video as well. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching.